In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in email template Salesforce. We'll walk through a quick, practical way to copy additional people on automated emails that are sent from Salesforce using email alerts. This is especially useful when you want managers, teammates, or shared inboxes to always receive a copy of certain notifications without having to remember to add them manually each time. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the gear icon, which is the entry point to your settings and configuration options. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option that says Open Advanced Setup or Setup, depending on how your org is labeled. When Setup opens, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. At the top of that panel, there's a search bar that helps you quickly find specific configuration pages. Click into that search bar and start typing email alerts. As you type, Salesforce will filter the results. When you see email alerts appear in the list, click on it to open the email alerts page. On this page, you'll see a list of all the email alerts configured in your Salesforce org. These are the automated emails that are triggered by workflows, process builders, flows, or other automation. Find the specific email alert where you want to add a CC. If there are many alerts, you can use your browser's search feature to quickly locate it by name. Once you've located the correct email alert, look to the left side of that row and click the edit link. This opens the detailed configuration for that particular alert. Scroll down through the settings until you find a field labeled Additional Emails. This is where you can specify extra email addresses that should always be copied on this alert. In the Additional Emails field, type the email addresses you want to CC. You can add up to 5 addresses here. Make sure each one is entered correctly and separate multiple addresses according to the format Salesforce indicates on the page. It's a good idea to double-check spelling, because any typo will prevent that person from receiving the email. When you're satisfied with the list of CC recipients, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Your changes are now live, and the next time this email alert is triggered, those additional recipients will automatically receive a copy, and that's it. You've successfully added CC recipients to an email template in Salesforce using email alerts.